The Silonn Countertop Nugget Ice Maker delivers fresh nugget ice in minutes, right on your countertop. Compact, fast, and super easy to use, no plumbing needed. Just press a button and enjoy cafe-style ice anytime. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Silonn Countertop Nugget Ice Maker. Ice Scoop. User Manual. Product Overview. Removable Top Cover. Secondary Water Reservoir. Ice Full Sensor. Ice Outlet. Water Reservoir. Control Panel. Air Exhaust Fan. Drain Plug. Maximum Water Fill Line. Filter. Ice Basket. Ice Scoop. Display Panel. Ice Full. Add Water. Ice/Clean Button. How to use. Open the cover and remove the basket. Pour water, do not exceed the max watermark. Press the Ice/Clean button. Wait 6 minutes to 8 minutes. Ice full and ready when the Ice Full indicator is on. When the Add Water indicator is red, add water and press Ice/Clean. Maintenance. Remove the ice basket and fill the water reservoir. Hold the button for 5 seconds to start the self-cleaning cycle. After the cycle, drain the water reservoir completely. Remove the top cover and basket. Clean both water reservoirs using a soft cloth, dampened with warm water and vinegar, then rinse with clean water. Drain excess water over the sink. Clean exterior with a cloth and mild dishwashing soap. Smart features? Looking for the perfect ice to pair with your favorite drinks? Look no further than the SLIM17 Nugget Ice Maker from Silonn. Unlike regular ice cubes, Nugget Ice is chewable and soft, making it ideal for smoothies, cocktails, sodas, and more. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker can produce ice in just 6 to 10 minutes, so you're never waiting long for your drinks. Its efficient cooling system ensures a steady supply of fresh, chewable ice throughout the day. Silonn creates small, nugget-style ice that's soft and easy to chew, just like the ice from cafes. Perfect for cocktails, smoothies, or just keeping your drinks refreshingly cool. Nugget Ice Maker can produce up to 33 pounds of ice per day, keeping you stocked for parties or daily use. Its efficient design ensures a continuous supply of fresh, chewable ice whenever you need it. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the Silonn Countertop Nugget Ice Maker from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Silonn Countertop Nugget Ice Maker. See you in the next one.